Well, greetings all students from international class 1H. This morning we already did our task related with stacking F. Yes, we have criteria, we have 3 departments, and then every department has 2 programs. They have their own code and tuition fee. And your task is filling this table below, filling the enrolled year information, whether you have diploma 3 or 4, information for department, program, and tuition fee. Yes, I was surprised some students cannot do the test. Well, I think this test is really easy because we just transform the information from the student ID and then put it from student ID and then transfer it in this column and then mixing the result with ifs. So let's check how to do the test today. Yes, we know you got the information that student ID here, the characters has meaning 0, 9, 4, 1, 2, 2, 0, 0, 15. Perhaps I can make it bigger for you. Okay, the information give insight about this, about enrolled year. Yes, you can find out that two characters from the left side is the enrolled year. The information is if it's 09, it should be 2009, and if it's 10, so it should be 2010. So only two criteria, and then later you can do using one if. Alright, let's do that. First of all, we need to transfer the information from student ID and then put in every column using left because we will take characters from the left side. And then this one, and how many characters? 2 characters. What's happened when we choose this? Yes, we have 0, 9. And then we will transfer it into our formula here. If our logical test is left A12 and take 2 character, if true, if it's 09, then we will put 2. If it's equal with 09, then remember to give this apostrophe because student ID here is not number. You can see this green sign in the left side because I put one apostrophe before it to change number into text. And because we transfer the data from student ID to enrolled year, it can be simply become number. No, because it's still in text format. Then we need to change it into value first, or you can do this. If this result of our transfer data is equal with 09, then we will put 2009. Other than that, we will put 2010. Finish. Because we have 2 criteria, then only one if. And I think it's working. Now you see the number is located in the right side. It means that it's a number. Alright. Yes, we have more like over data here. Okay, just delete it, and then let's do for the next column. We simply have 5 columns, so each column I can give point like this. Each column means 20 points, so if you can fill those things, it should be 100 points. Yes, and before some student did like using their own way to fill this, and then when I asked that whether they can do using my way, especially in tuition fee using stacking, if then I will give you full score 100 points. Yes, if you can do that but still using your own way, perhaps I can give you 90. 90 still means A in our class. Alright, so I will show you the next part. It's really easy. The same thing like before. Now we will take the third character from the student ID. Because it's located in the middle, the third character from the left side, then we cannot use left anymore. Yes, yes, we cannot do using left anymore because the data located in the middle, so it should be mid. I still see some students using left and has different what is it, different formula for each bar. So what's the function you use formula if you still type formula for each bar? It doesn't make any sense. That's why you need to pay attention during my class, especially this is our last weeks, so please pay attention on our tutorial as well. So put mid and then choose our text student ID here, and then start number. We will start from number in from the left side. So it start on the third character, and then how many characters we took? Only one, because in the information only this 4 or another 3 here. Yes. So we have 4 and stuff. Right. See, the result here is not a number. It's located in the left side. It's a text. So we will combine it, or you can change it into value like this. Yes. So this is value. Then we need to combine it using if. If for, then we will type as diploma 4. Other than that, we will type it as diploma 3. Alright. So if, and then in the end, the result is 4. Now we do not need to put apostrophe because we already changed the result into value. So we just simply equal with 4 and then semicolon. If true, we will put it as diploma 4. Other than that, yes, don't forget, because we put not number but text, we need to put apostrophe here. Other than that, we will put it as diploma 3. Yes, and finish. One close bracket in the end. Voila, we have this result. And then department we can get information about department using student ID. Yeah, still in the middle, you can take number from the fourth and fifth characters. Yes, two characters from the left, from the fifth character. So the information is like this. So the another information is we have this department. Yes, we just simply can put it like this, and then the code, department code. School of Management should be 11. Mechanical Engineering should be 12. And then Civil Engineering should be 13. Yes, that's the information we got it from here. Yes, 2 characters. And then the last characters is information about accounting, management, business, and stuff. Alright, so we will transfer the number first. So we will still use math. Our result, the fifth characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, or fourth character. Reverse it as fourth character and then 2 number. Yes, so 12 should be something, because I said that you can use your creativity to do this task. First, how I just want to know how you solve this question. You can do, you can have more column. You can insert column, and or you can make your own table criteria, and then you can do lookup. It's okay. That's your creativity. I accept that. But later, I will ask you to do specific part. So I suggest you, yeah, you need to be a creative in this class, because we have many ways to solve this. Yes, but I can I can push you to use my way, but you can use your own way. But you need to explain to me, and I need to check whether you can do exactly what I want or not. Right. Again, department 12. This is our data, and then again, um, I think you need to change it to value first. Value, and then close bracket. What's happened? Okay, the number changed into exactly in number format. Then what you need to do? Cool. Yes, we will use if. If our data here is equal with 11, then we will put School of Management. Yeah, you can do that if you don't want to type anything. Other than that, yes, if take the same thing, like this. Alright. If our data equal with 12, then we will have this, and then don't forget to lock it. Yes, other than that, we will mark it as civil engineering and close it, and then close bracket. Yes, if you're wondering how many close bracket we need to put, just try to put once and then see the bold part. If it become thick, then your close bracket is closing this formula. Again, you will see a thick open bracket here. So if you notice the bold or thick close bracket, then you already close it. So you don't need to count how many close bracket you need to do, but just check whether it's already closed or formula or not. And then I will put another one. See, it's closing the first formula. Then I will press enter. Yes, we have this result. So student name Christoph with this student ID. The code is 12. 12 should be mechanical engineering. Then it's working. Yes, how about program based on these three, based on these three characters, and then we will take information from this. Yes, you cannot do VLOOKUP because the code located in the right side of the program. If the code here located before program, so the code here located before program, before, yeah, we can insert it here. You can do using VLOOKUP, but because this information is not, the program is located in the right side, you cannot do lookup. So you need to do it using if. Again, we need to transfer the information, the appropriate information to this column. So using middle, our data, characters from the fourth characters, and then 3. Yes. Then I need to change it into value. Okay. Let's check whether it's working or not. Okay, it's working. Then we will put it before before value. After equal sign we will put if. So if our result is equal with 111, then we will have accounting management. Yes, you can type it, or you can do like choosing like this. Remember, if you type something, it should be exactly the same. If you miss one space or one character, then it won't working. I see some students did mistake when they're typing construction management. They swap between R and U, then it's not working. Then yeah, it's really silly mistake, I guess. Yes, it's really silly. Why you still did like error when you type something? Perhaps my suggestion is minimize typing. So you can choose the data from criteria like this, like I will show you right now. So if our result equal with 111, then we will put it as accounting management. And then if we will put value if false, if other thing. Yes, you can use one by one like this because we have simply 6 criteria, then we will have 5 ifs. But I can see some students give like harder, what is it, formula using the program code here, combination between this and one characters in the right sides. Okay, yes, that's also acceptable, but we can choose something easier for our task. Okay, I will show you how the easy way to do that. Again, if value made, and then we will put this data. Then right now we will put it as equal with 112. Then we will type it as business administration and then lock it. Other than that, if our data equal with 121, then we will type it as manufacturing. Other than that, if our data is equal with 122, then we will type it as design and mechanic. Other than that, if our result equal with 131, should be construction management, login. Other than that, then it should be structural. Finish. Close bracket. Until you got black close bracket in the end. Yeah, the last another way to check it, just press, because we cannot see open bracket in the beginning, you just simply put close bracket until you can see the black. Yeah, the color is black. Black close bracket. Yes, another red and then black. Yes, finish. So let's check. One student ID is 122. 122 should be mechanical and design and mechanic. Yes, it's working. You can check it. You need to check it one by one. Sometimes it's working for one program but not working for another. Please check it. And then tuition fee. Yeah, some of you can do this with your own way, and then I can ask you to use to do using instruction that I give. Then instruction that I give to the class is using information from this and program. If our department is School of Management, then if the program is Accounting Management, then the student ID should be 3 million. Okay. Actually, you can do exactly like this, and then using if and put the data, but I will show you another way, or stacking if, exactly like what the title say here. So first put equal sign, and then if our department is School of Management, then we will have, then if the program, yes, equal with Accounting Management, then we will put it as 3 million. Other than that, we will put it as the last information. Yes. Let's check it. If our department is School of Management, if our okay, yes, got it. We will give information about business administration as well. I will do it from the beginning so you're not worry. So if our department equal with School of Management, then if your program equal with Accounting Management, then we will put it as 3 million. Other than that, 2 million. 2.9. Finish. And then comma, if our department equal with mechanical engineering, comma, if our program equal with manufacturing, then we will put it as 3 million. Other than that, 3.4. Close bracket. And then other than that, if our department is civil engineering, if our program is construction management, then we will put it as 3.5. Other than that, structural. And then close bracket, yes. So mechanical engineering, design and mechanic, we have 3.4 million, right? So you need to change it into accounting. And then I will delete decimals. We don't have decimal. And then finish. Yes, that's all how to do the test for today. I think we only need few minutes to do this, to fill the table. Right, I hope this video is helping. I wish all of you can learn using your own Excel in your house, and then on Thursday morning we can learn something new that I think is very useful for you doing the program, or project in your next classes. Well, I think that's all, and we will meet again on the next meeting this Thursday morning. I wish all students need to present, and if you still have question, you don't know how to do something, just please ask me so I can give you the information. I can tell you how to do the task, and then if I have time like this, I wish I can help you to make a tutorial. So please tell me which part that you find it's a bit hard for you, so you can do your final test later. Alright guys, see you later.